Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below.
No, esto va a quitar el de esa madre de la orilla.
Tenemos que quitar, si no va a quedar muy alto.
Now he is spreading the cement on the floor, on the concrete floor. And then once the cement dries, then he will put glue and then the vinyl sheets. He says he puts cement so that the surface becomes smooth, because without putting the cement, the old surface was rough. So once this cement dries, then he will put glue and then put the vinyl sheets, okay? Now he is spreading the glue on the concrete that has been polished. So the concrete was polished, and then now he is spreading the glue, and then he will lay the vinyl sheets. Now we are laying the vinyl sheets. Okay, so once we put the glue on the concrete, then we lay the vinyl sheets. See, one after another you put the sheets, and at the corners you may have to cut some, and then that's about it. Cutting the vinyl sheet is very easy. You just use a knife, like a razor knife, to cut it. It's very easy. can take the rag and clean the extra. You know, the extra glue.
Oh, yeah. You need to clean right now.
Yeah.
¿Siento bien? ¿Bueno? ¿Ahora sí siento bien?
Sí, porque ya le puse la cajita.
¿Sí?
So here you put the transitions on all the places where the vinyl meets the tile. Okay, new transition, and he glued the transition with the liquid nail, and it works good. The floor looks very good, very beautiful, and the whole thing was finished in about 5-6 hours. Okay, so it's almost finished. Okay, so the finished product or the finished floor of my living room looks like this. Okay, as you can see, very nice, better than before. You can see the transition, new transitions, and he has put the vinyl up to the carpet, and very nicely he has tucked the vinyl, new transition here. So it's pretty good. And he left some vinyl planks for me to use in case I need to repair something. Okay, so it's fantastic. Okay, so this is the completion of the project. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.